Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Lily and today we are going to talk about studying together.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Lily, how are you today?
Hi, Ethan. I am doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I am great, thank you for asking.
That is good to hear.
Lily, do you like studying?
Yes, I do. I like learning new things.
What do you like to study?
I like English, math, and science.
English is my favorite subject.
Mine too,
Why do you like English?
because I want to speak with people from many countries.
That is a wonderful reason.
Thank you.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study a little every day.
How long do you study?
About 1 hour.
That is a good habit.
What about you?
I usually study for 2 hours.
Wow, that is great.
Sometimes I study alone.
Do you like studying alone?
Yes, but I also like studying with friends.
Me too.
Why do you enjoy studying together?
We can help each other.
I agree.
We can also ask questions.
Yes, that makes learning easier.
Exactly.
When do you usually study?
I usually study in the evening
Why the evening?
because I finish my work first.
That makes sense.
When do you study?
I like studying in the morning.
Are you an early bird?
Yes, I feel fresh in the morning.
I understand.
Where do you like to study?
I like studying at the library.
Why?
It is quiet.
Quiet places help us focus.
Yes, I can think better.
Sometimes I study at home.
Do you have your own desk?
Yes, I do.
That is nice.
I keep my books on the desk.
Is your desk clean?
Most of the time.
Mine is sometimes messy.
That happens to everyone.
Yes, sometimes I have too many books.
What do you usually bring when you study?
I bring a notebook, a pencil, and my English book.
I also bring a dictionary.
A dictionary is very useful.
Yes, I learned many new words.
I use a notebook to write new vocabulary.
That is a good idea.
Thank you.
Do you like taking notes?
Yes, notes help me remember.
I feel the same.
Ethan, do you review your notes?
Yes, I review them every weekend.
That is a smart habit.
Thank you.
I should do that more often.
It really helps.
I will try it.
Great.
Studying together is fun.
Yes, we can learn from each other.
I like asking questions.
And I like answering them.
That sounds like a good team.
I think so too.
Let's continue talking about our study habits.
Great idea. Ethan, what is your favorite place to study? I like the library because it is quiet.
I like the library too.
There are many books there.
Yes, and there are comfortable chairs.
Do you study with your classmates?
Sometimes I do.
How many classmates join you?
Usually 3 or 4.
That is a good group.
Yes, it is not too big.
What do you do first?
We say hello and talk for a few minutes.
Then what?
We open our books.
Good idea.
We read the lesson together.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, we ask many questions.
That helps everyone learn.
I think so too.
Do you explain difficult words?
Yes, we help each other understand.
That is wonderful.
Sometimes one person knows the answer.
And everyone learns something new.
Exactly.
Do you take short breaks?
Yes, we take a break every hour.
What do you do during the break?
We drink water and talk a little.
That sounds relaxing.
It helps us feel fresh.
I usually stretch my arms.
I walk around for a few minutes.
That is healthy.
Thank you.
Do you eat snacks while studying?
Sometimes I eat fruit.
Apples?
Yes, apples and bananas.
I like bananas too.
They are easy to eat.
Do you drink coffee?
Now, I usually drink tea.
I like tea too.
What kind of tea?
Green tea.
That sounds nice.
Lily, what is difficult about studying?
Sometimes I cannot remember new words.
I understand.
What do you do?
I read the words again and again.
Does it help?
Yes, it does.
I also make example sentences.
That is a very good idea.
It makes the words easier to remember.
I will try that.
Great.
Let's learn a useful word.
Okay.
The word is review.
Review means to study something again.
Exactly.
Example, I review my English lessons every Sunday.
Very good.
Another useful word is practice.
Practice means doing something again to improve.
Example, I practice English every day.
Excellent sentence.
Thank you.
Let's learn another word.
Sure.
Homework.
Homework is work that students do at home.
Right.
Example, I finished my homework before dinner.
Great example.
Thank you.
Lily, do you enjoy learning new vocabulary?
Yes, new words help me speak better.
I agree,
Every new word is useful.
especially in daily conversations.
Yes.
Let's practice a simple dialogue.
Great idea.
Can you help me with this question?
Of course, I will try my best.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Those are useful sentences.
People use them every day.
Let's talk about grammar.
Okay.
Today we will learn the verb study.
I study English every day.
Good.
She studies English every day.
Great. We add es because the subject is she.
That is correct.
Let's make another sentence.
He studies at the library.
Excellent.
They study together after school.
Perfect.
That grammar is easy.
Yes, with practice it becomes natural.
I feel more confident now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Ethan, thank you for studying with me today.
You're welcome, Lily. We are learning together.
Yes, and it is a lot of fun.
I can't wait to continue.
Me too.
Lily, what do you usually do before you start studying?
I clean my desk.
That is a good habit.
Then I prepare my books.
Do you also prepare your notebook?
Yes, I always have my notebook and a pen.
I do the same.
A clean desk helps me focus.
I agree. It is easier to study.
Ethan, do you use your phone while studying?
No, I put my phone away
Why?
because it can distract me.
That is true.
Sometimes I turn it off.
That is a smart idea.
What helps you stay focused?
I make a simple study plan.
What is in your study plan?
First, I read the lesson.
Then,
Next, I learn new words.
what comes after that?
I practice speaking.
That sounds like a good plan.
Thank you.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, even if I only have 20 minutes.
Every day is better than once a week.
I think so too.
Small steps can make a big difference.
Exactly.
What do you do when you do not understand something?
I ask my teacher.
That is a good idea.
Sometimes I ask my friends too.
Friends can help us learn.
Yes, we learn together.
Have you ever helped a friend with homework?
Yes, many times.
How did you help?
I explained the lesson slowly.
That was kind of you.
Thank you.
Did your friend understand?
Yes, she smiled and said, "Now I understand."
That must have made you happy.
It really did.
Helping others also helps us learn.
I agree.
Sometimes I learn something new while explaining.
Me too.
Let's talk about English vocabulary.
Great.
Today's first word is lesson.
A lesson is something you study.
Example, today's lesson is about animals.
That is easy to understand.
The next word is answer.
An answer is what you say after someone asks a question.
Example, I know the answer.
Very good.
Another useful word is question.
A question asks for information.
Example, can I ask you a question?
People use that sentence every day.
Yes, they do.
Ethan, I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
What is the best way to remember new words?
I read them aloud.
Anything else?
I write them in my notebook.
That is helpful.
I also use each word in a sentence.
I will try that.
Great.
Let's practice together.
Good idea.
The word is book.
This book is very interesting.
Nice sentence.
Your turn.
I read a book every evening.
Excellent.
The next word is teacher.
My teacher is very kind.
Good. Can you make another sentence?
Our teacher helps us every day.
Perfect.
Thank you. Now let's practice pronunciation.
Sounds good.
Listen carefully.
Okay.
Study.
Study.
Very good.
Thank you.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Excellent.
Vocabulary.
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 Great job.
Thank you.
Pronouncing words slowly helps beginners.
Yes, do not worry if you make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes while learning.
The important thing is to keep practicing.
I completely agree.
Little by little, your English becomes better.
Exactly.
Learning English should be enjoyable.
Yes, we should enjoy the journey.
That makes learning easier.
It certainly does. Lily, let's have a small English quiz.
That sounds fun.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
First question. What do you use to write notes?
I use a notebook and a pen.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Second question. Where do many students study?
They study at school, at home, or in the library.
Very good.
That was easy.
Here is another one. What do you do if you don't understand a lesson?
I ask my teacher or my friends for help.
Perfect answer.
Thank you.
Let's practice some useful daily expressions.
Great idea.
Can you explain this to me?
Of course, I will explain it.
Very nice.
Another one?
Sure.
Can we study together tomorrow?
Yes, that sounds great.
I like that sentence.
Me too. It is very useful.
Let's learn another expression.
Take your time.
What does it mean?
It means you do not need to hurry.
That is a kind sentence.
Yes, teachers and friends often say it.
Can you give an example?
Take your time. There is no rush.
That's easy to remember.
Good.
Ethan, sometimes I make mistakes when I speak English.
That is completely normal.
Really?
Yes, every English learner makes mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Mistakes help us learn.
I will remember that.
Good. The important thing is to keep speaking.
I agree.
Every conversation makes you stronger.
One step at a time.
Exactly.
I feel more confident now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for studying with me today.
You're welcome, Lily. Learning together is always more enjoyable.
Ethan, today was a very good study session.
I think so too. We learned many useful things.
We talked about good study habits.
Yes, and we also practiced English together.
I learned some new vocabulary today.
Which word was your favorite?
I liked the word review.
That is a very useful word.
I will review my lessons tonight.
Great idea.
What was your favorite word?
I liked the word practice.
Practice is very important.
Yes, the more you practice, the more confident you become.
I will practice speaking every day.
Even 10 or 15 minutes can help.
Small steps make a big difference.
Exactly.
Let's share one study tip with our listeners.
My study tip is to learn a few new words every day.
My study tip is to speak English out loud even if you are alone.
That is excellent advice.
Thank you.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Every mistake is a chance to learn.
That's right.
We hope this conversation helps you improve your English.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And tell us in the comments, how do you like to study English?
We love reading your answers.
Your ideas may help other English learners too.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We really enjoyed studying together.
Keep learning a little every day.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
Remember, every new word you learn brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence.
We are excited to see you in our next conversation.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye. See you in the next episode.